Well, that was hilarious. Nearly wet myself laughing there. I walked up to the bike and I packed all my shopping in the side panniers and attached my GoPro to the rear. I have one on the rear just in case something interesting happens or somebody does something, because I've now got a second hand. I've got two. One is brilliant, one is acceptable, so the acceptable one goes on the back. Put my camera on, tightened it, walked literally 4 meters, but it was behind a brick pillar, and I put the trolley back in and I picked the helmet out of my trolley and I'm put my helmet on. I'm stood there watching. There's two young lads on their little the little scooter things, sort of scooted up to the back, and they'd seen the camera. Probably the red flashing light attracted them, and you can almost feel the discussion. Oh look, shall we have it? No, go on, you take it. Oh, well, I'll keep a lookout. Well, during this little discussion, I'd stroll very quietly up behind them, say only 4 yards. Tapped the one who was about to be lookout on the shoulder and say, "Can I be lookout for you?" Well, they will need new underpants. They did leave their scooters in disarray. And they did disappear very rapidly. Oh bless. Hopefully it's taught them a lesson. But I can't stop laughing at their faces. They were just... that mic's wrong. It was hilarious. Their little faces. It must be an Essex thing, you know. They're born to steal. They're born to take chances and rob wherever they can. They couldn't have been any more than 8 or 9. I'm thinking of my grandson, I'm guessing they were 8. Out on their own, playing around Tesco's car park looking for something to steal. It's times like that. You see, when I was in Jersey or Bobby, I'd have taken one of them by the hand, which we could do over there, and taken him home and explained to his mother, and got the mother to talk to him. You don't touch kids over here, do you? You see a little kiddie hurt at the side of the road, you don't stop. Mass hysteria that's running rampant in this country, just accuse you as a dirty old man or a paedophile, or not the fact you were trying to help an injured child. I'm sorry, but this country isn't a nice place to live. Or it's the attitudes of a lot of the people in this country, just not nice. Just downright rotten. Sun. I seem to spend my life at the bloody shops. I do a big shop, I'll get everything I want, get home and find there's about 6 items I didn't get. Do you manage to get all your shopping in one go? Or do you walk in the door and think, oh god, I forgot the OXO? or whatever. I make lists before you say anything, and I list everything I want. I make immaculate lists. I shall now go home and I'll take my list off the kitchen work surface and see what I've missed. I don't think I've ever remembered to take a bloody list with me. Complete and utter scatterbrain. Oh well, you've heard enough from me. Bye bye girls and boys, and those in between.